Hello everyone. Today I'm here with Susie DeYoung, founder of the nonprofit organization La Soup, and they are organizing the school's first all-school nonprofit fundraiser.
Story that I like to tell people that really got me and what got me involved to begin with was a Facebook post by a teacher at Euler, and Euler is in Lower Price Hill. And on that post she said, I'm probably going to lose my job for what I'm about to disclose. And it was a Monday after a snow in November. So it happened in November. There was a snow on Friday. School was canceled. Because the school was canceled, the kids in her class had not eaten since lunch on Thursday. They came back to school on Monday, so Friday, Saturday, Sunday, come to school on Monday, they still haven't eaten. And the child that she referred to was put into a desk. She had to go look for the child, put her in the desk and told her she had to take the state test because it was state testing day. Knowing that she hadn't eaten, the girl was really foggy. She was so weak from hunger, she couldn't even make it up the steps. The teacher literally carried her up the steps and told her she had to take the test. And from that point on, we've gone to Euler twice a week to try to keep the kids fed.